Ka Sarkar Meghalaya ka phai khamat banwanra e ka puli puthi ka bakat kum ki kor ki bor jong ka jok ka bamenta lani Digitalisation of Education. Umentri katnat puli puthi urakam e sangma ulaong baka Sarkar jala kadang khmi ikilan banpen rung ye ki kot puli hakikor computer. Henry ki hard copy jong ki kot puli ru ondang penyo. Ka Sarkar kadang wat lat ru banwanra ki smart class hakajala. Umentri luong ba onwanra ru wat ye ki smart training room. Dakajing pentrai kam ya ke NEP arajar arpau ke textbook review committee kan saya kendo ban shimrai halor ki kot puli ki scare bar ki syllabus na kabenta ke puli puthi ha ke jela kadi ka committee kan pentikna ba ya ke jing hikai ki ba on sa shim ha ki school ga jela kilong ki ba ya ha bar ka puli puthi ha gari
we are going to give the content, what you call the smart things that have contents, the syllabus and curriculum content best, especially to many of the institutions. Yes, look, at the present, yes, look, after the NEP comment, the new NCF for elementary and school level have been come. So where there may be, they are going to have a new curriculum, new syllabus, new chapter, new topic, all things, all that. So as a Meghalaya also, at this time we are going to have our textbook, our curriculum, which will be second to nobody's state, which will be second to nobody.